is related. You can see the curve is up and down. It's more volatile. It's even more volatile in Maui. Let me show you this before I quit, okay? Anyone from Maui? Okay. You see this condo that I bought? It's Harbor Lights and Wailuku. Have you guys been there? Harbor Lights, Wailuku. Because at that time, Maui, everything went up real high. Everything went up real high. But remember, the cheap property will go up at the tail end. And this building hadn't gone up. Everything was up. In Kihei, Lahaina, everything went up. So one day I said, I usually don't buy property out of Honolulu, but let me research on Maui, and I found this building. Do you know how much this building was selling for? Back in 2013. I mean, each individual, 2-bedroom, fee simple, facing the ocean. How much do you think it's selling for? Huh? 400,000? Have you been to Maui? Okay. If you go down to Harbor Lights, this building is known to be all run down. A lot of drugs, lots of prostitution. That's exactly what I like.